Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like this peachy tutorial that's perfect for summer. Very light and airy. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see how to get this beautiful summertime face. Then keep on watching. Going into my Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to go ahead and take Summer Yum and go ahead and put that in my crease. I'm not going to use it as a transition shade, just a crease color. Puree on a same brush. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my crease to go further deepen the crease shade and give it more dimension. In with a different crease brush, I'm going to go into Peaches and Cream and go ahead and blend everything together and kind of lighten it all up. My Kokie brow pencil, I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. Taking my e.l.f. brow mascara in the shade medium brown, I'm going to go ahead and spoolie the color through my brows and make sure that they stick in place. I'm taking Essence liquid eyeshadow in the shade Escape to Mars, I believe, or Stay with Mars, I'm not sure. But it's a beautiful peachy kind of orangey copper shade. I think it goes perfect with the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and, of course, cut my crease with it. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer and go and put some 4 dots on my face as well as my nose. And I'm going to go ahead and rub that in and really press into my nose area because that is where I have the most pores. I want to make sure my pores are filled whenever I use this. Just going to go ahead and stop for a quick cuddle break with Nyanya. She was acting really cute, so I just had to go ahead and hold her. Taking my Essence Wet Waterproof eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lashes to make them look more thick. And Rue decided he wanted to jump on my lap, of course. eye is always the worst eye, of course it is. I'm going to be taking my Carbon Black mascara and go ahead and quickly coat my lashes. Make sure they're nice and beautiful. And my cats start fighting again. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Revolution Vivid highlighter in the shade Radiant Lights and go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, which I always do, and really build up that color, of course. I mean, guys, look at how beautiful that is. I mean, it's just stunning. Especially if you have fair skin, I think this would be so beautiful. Putting that on my brow bone, of course. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and put it on my nose and then put the rest of the excess up on the bridge of my nose. You don't want to look like Rudolph with this step. You got to be very careful with it. Then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my shoulders. I did put the Makeup Revolution highlighting drops on my shoulders prior to this video. I decided to put that on there to give it a nice, better effect with the sticky base. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my décolleté and go and highlight that area, because why not? It's the summertime, I'm in a tank top, so might as well, right? I'm going to go ahead and put on my Fenty gloss, of course.